Well, hello guys. We're gonna do a little project here today. I thought I'd do something a little different for you. This will give you a hint. Look at there. Yes, everybody. I'm putting skins on a Mini. To let you know, I have weighed everything out in a gram scale. Even installing the skin on this drone, it's still under the 250 gram mark. So you can put skins on your drone, depending on which kind. And when I get done here, I will post a link in the description of this video to where you can order these skins. They're not expensive. It was like $8. And this is the skins for the drone right here. It's just a real simple setup. So I've already prepped the drone. They give you like alcohol wipes to do it, and I've already prepped it. So at this point, it's ready to go. So I got to I'm doing the main body first, then we're gonna go from there. So let's see if we can get this off here. If we can get this off, it'd be awesome. And I already got problems. There it is. We got it. All right. Right here. That is for the main body. You know, it's got the cutout for your DJI logo. And the best way to do this, I'm trying not to touch the surfaces that the decal are going to go on, because it's already been prepped. So we basically, really simple. We're going to take the drone, hold it. We're going to line up our logo. It's going to take a minute here, and I'll be right with you. I'm going to get everything lined up, then we'll go to the next step, because I'm going to have to sit on my lap to do it. So let's go like this. And right there. Okay, you can see it's on there. Then they give you this little cloth, which I found works quite well for doing this. And what you do to make sure you get all the air bubbles out of it is you start in the center and you go down. Then you work your way to the outside of it, just like so. Then we go to this side and do the same thing, just like so. And we got a big bubble here. We're going to take my finger, and I'm going to go ahead and at this point, we're going to work all the bubbles out of it. Sometimes you got to work it hard. Take your finger and rub on it just like that. Then we go to right there. See, the top is done just like that, just that simple. See how your DJI logo kind of hangs out. And this is the Mavic Mini we're putting the skin on. So next, we're going to do I'm going to start at the back of the drone, working my way to the front. So we're going to do the one side. Right here's the piece for it. The best way to do this too is to actually open the drone right up. Open the Mini right up and get it in there. Just like so. And you can see, we got that side done. Now we're going to do the very back area of it. Let's see here. We got it right here, the piece for that. And these skins, guys, it took me about 10 days to get them here. You can get them on eBay, is where I found these. And they're like $8, so it's not really an expensive thing. So just to let you know, let's see here. All right, almost put him in the wrong spot. We're gonna go like so. We're gonna put that out. What's really nice too is they're kind of forgiving in a way. Once you rub them in, put them down, they'll stay. And there's that one. See on the back in there. Now I got that skin. Next, we're gonna do the other side. And here's the skin for the other side. And this way, guys, it personalize it, makes it into your own drone. And there we go. There we are. See there? Look at the effect. That look kind of cool, guys. I ordered the red, but you can get they got like a black carbon fiber look. You know, whatever colors you suit your fancy. Now we're going to do one of the arms. And like I said, I've already prepped this. I put they give you alcohol wipes to go over the areas where the decals are going to go, or the skins are going to go on. So they're basically a stick-on decal, but they call them skins for some reason. I don't know. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna do this on my lap, guys. Some of this. If I got smart, I'd have fired up my other camera, and we could have set the drone on table, and you could have seen it as I was doing it here. Okay. There's one arm. Now we're going to do the other side. We're going to catch the other side. Let's see here. In a minute here, I'll hold up the instruction sheet because it has a a scanner code on it, and you guys can go there. Right there's the other arm, because you guys can go there with the scanner and take you to the site, and you can order these up if you like. Like I say, they're about $8 American, so they're not a really pricey thing. So it's just something to make it different from anybody else's Mini. And we're going like so. And there's that one. So see, it's already changing. See there, it's already changing up. See the effect of the skin. We're down to our last one, and it's done. Just that simple. Takes you probably about 20 minutes, 30 minutes at most. Because once you use the alcohol, you kind of want to let it make sure that it dries. You know, alcohol doesn't take that long to dry, so. And just like that, guys, it's changed. The bottom stays the same, so it doesn't cover all your other stuff. But see there, it's all done. This here is the instruction sheet, and I'm going to hold it up to the camera because there's a scanner code, and you guys can hopefully see that, and you can order, if you want to order one up, scan on that scanner and get it for you if you like. I will get the link, and I will post it in the description of this video, and feel free to check it out. The end product is, unfortunately, I did the controller off camera, but here it is, the controller and the Mavic Mini now. So it was like, I think, I'll get the exact figure. I think it's between $8 and $11 for everything. So right there it is. And I have weighed this, weighed out the skin and weighed it drone, and it's well under the 250 grams. So this setup here will not affect the weight of the drone, so you do not have to register it. So we go like this. So thanks for coming in here. This is one of my first tutorial videos I've ever done, so I hope I've done well. And feel free to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and select all, and leave a comment on this video, and give me a thumbs up, and I will get back to you if you have any questions. Like I said, I will be posting a link to the where to get this the skin set. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you all soon on the live shows.